But he's trying to connect between syntax and semantics, because satisfaction is a target to be achieved. So how am I going to achieve it? First, I'm going to put a plan. But when I am adopting or applying, I'm going to use my strategy. So here I'm evaluating between the plan and the link to strategy. Okay, so this is really real life applications, how to evaluate real time applications. Okay, okay. Satisfaction, strategic alignment, and integrity development. Now, I think this is basically going to talk about how can I ensure the integrity of data, information, knowledge, intelligence between the plan and the strategy, and the strategy and the plan, vice versa, and between the user satisfaction, which is independent and ambiguous, and the business satisfaction, which is linear progression. Okay, let's see. Yes. Now, I'm talking here about, let's see the figure, satisfaction, strategic alignment, and integrity development. Now, here's gonna use the satisfaction itself. In another slide, we're gonna talk about specific user satisfaction, but here I wanted to talk about satisfaction as satisfaction, not too specific. You can look at it as sustainability satisfaction. If we have a user satisfaction, business product satisfaction, business satisfaction, now the old satisfaction will be still evaluated like this. Okay, we can say sustainability satisfaction for e-marketing environment, for the e-marketing environment. Okay, okay. Now we're gonna see another slide, since this PhD was about the user satisfaction. We're gonna see another slide. Instead just saying satisfaction, we're gonna say user satisfaction, but it's gonna be the same. Therefore, we can apply it for the product satisfaction, we can apply it for the business satisfaction. And therefore, let's say the KPI level from the business satisfaction can talk cross-disciplinary with the business satisfaction KPI with the product satisfaction KPI. Okay, I think I have this one here. This one you can find on X under the same name. Okay. So let's talk about level 1, key performance evaluation, or key satisfaction performance categories of and represents the highest level of the satisfaction process. Level 2, performance evaluation, performance indicator, or process group, where each example of a process group indicates the next level of satisfaction processes and represents a group of processes, not one process. It is one process, but has a group of processes. Okay, it's like the user satisfaction. Okay, the user satisfaction, you can look at it in the e-marketing environment. It would be a life cycle. No, the life cycle is all three of them: business, user, and uh, the product. Okay, but if you take the user satisfaction itself, okay, it's going to be a life cycle. Again, if I'm going to look at the whole e-marketing environment, I will find in it three lifetimes: the business, the product, and the user. But if the user is going to evaluate his own satisfaction, is going to be to himself as a life cycle, not a lifetime. Then the user satisfaction life cycle will contain of group of processes: CEO, sales and marketing, law, finance. Okay, okay. So performance indicator or process group, which each examples of a process group indicates that the next level of satisfaction processes and represents a group of processes, user satisfaction component and targets, which initiated by CAB. Well, I think I changed the ABE. We're going to see it in later papers for the people who want to move parallel. But it's a user satisfaction component and target. So satisfaction components and targets CAB. Now satisfaction indicates as A, okay, for the mathematics point of view, okay. Level 3, key result area indicator or process. A series of interrelated activities which convert input into results. User satisfaction process and organizational user satisfaction blueprint. Level BX. Satisfaction process and organizational user satisfaction blueprint. Levels. So we have categories and then we have levels. Now, level number 4, key result area indicator or activity, indicates key event performed when executing a process. So this is a key result area or activity. So this is like activity here. See, activity here is a day-to-day operational. Okay, so let's say a user satisfaction, he wants to be the first in his class. One of the activities would be like waking up early in the morning, having a good breakfast, going to your lecture before time, like 10 minutes, coming down and trying to get in the mood. So each of them will be a union activity with each other until he finishes all the key result area processes. Okay. Okay. So now we talked about key performance evaluation, key performance indicator, key result area indicator, key result area. Now let's talk about this one. This is the beauty about this is that it connects the planning with the results. Okay, we said the plan and strategy, but this is the strategy results. It's not the strategy. The strategy is these arrows, okay, or the relation between each level. Okay, so This is the satisfaction, which is independent and ambiguous. And this is the performance classification framework, milestone plan, activity resources plans, okay, which is the framework, okay. But under here is everyday operations. Now, I took the apqc.org PCF, which is really magnificent and widely distributed across day-to-day processes or different sectors of uh, industry. Okay. Okay. So let's start. First of all, satisfaction planning. Satisfaction planning meaning understanding satisfaction measures. Now, we have the satisfaction itself from the perspective of planning or understanding measures. I'm going to say the key performance indicator, which is satisfaction, purpose, and scope. So, actually, in this paper, we have taken this as features, quality, availability, cost. It should be features, quality, cost, and availability. But I changed it. I put the availability before the cost because availability itself has a cost. Okay, so I took the cost as the final um, satisfaction measures. Okay, so the key performance indicator will be presented as the satisfaction, purpose, and scope. Now we're going to go to the categories, satisfaction categories. So satisfaction is features, quality, availability, cost. Those are features, quality, availability, or cost. Each of them will be C, A, B. Okay, so the semantics of it, key result area indicator. Yeah, okay. See, this is wrong because level 2 here is the PI. So I didn't recognize it even in the PhD presentation. Of course, nobody did right now. So key result area indicator should be here. So it should be key result area. Then we not summon, summarize them together would be key result area indicator, and then the performance indicator, then the key performance indicator. Okay, so this is wrong. Or you should so performance indicator to performance delivery satisfaction. So its semantic is to deliver satisfaction performance. So this is all. It's like word miss. And I hope we're gonna see it in the user satisfaction more clearly. So this is to deliver satisfaction performance. So see, even if I didn't read it for like 15 years, the semantics, it's like it's gonna make you infer you to question what you have written because it's not logic. Okay, so performance evaluation meaning to deliver satisfaction performance of what? Of the satisfaction components and targets. So this is your plan. This is how you are going to express your categories or satisfaction components and targets categories.